Dad and Chris actually went to go get some rub and eggnog, and we are going to be putting up the Christmas tree today. Should we get you dressed? Let's get you dressed. Boo! All dressed. Got some fuzzy socks on, your new black leggings from Auntie Carly, your new Santa shirt from Auntie Carly, and your red plaid from Auntie Tiana. And then her hair is just in a little ponytail. All dressed. Good morning, everybody. How is it going? It is, I don't even know what day it is today, actually. November 20th, maybe? I have no idea. I slept in this morning because Chris let me. Chris just took Georgia out for a walk somewhere right now. It's not super nice outside. It's actually super gross. So they just went out for a walk, just the two of them, while I'm hanging back with little Miss Skylar here. Chris woke up early this morning and me and Skylar got to sleep in. And then when she woke up, Chris came in and got her and let me sleep in a little bit more. So I woke up an hour ago now. He gave Skylar breakfast. I think she had some peaches, some puffs, and some eggies. You wanna go brush your teeth? Let's go brush your teeth. Do it. You do it. Good job. Well done. So yesterday I actually went over to my friend's house and took some pictures of her little baby. I took some maternity photos for her a while ago and she finally had her baby. It's baby Jax. Yeah, I have a photography page. Fun fact, I just started it. It's always just been a hobby of mine. So if you guys want to go like my photography page on Instagram and Facebook, it is just Catherine May Photography. That's both my middle names. But look at some of these pictures. Like, newborns are just the frickin' cutest little things in the world. I remember when you were that small, little miss. Skylar! What are you doing? No, she's tired though. Chris and Georgia came home from their walk. I just took a shower, obviously. I'm going to get ready. Skylar may be falling asleep for a nap right now. Maybe not. We were planning on going for a little drive, possibly to my parents' house. I was looking through all of our Tupperware and we have all this Tupperware and I have no idea because it's not mine. No idea where that came from. Sorry, Mom. We have probably half of your Tupperware in our cupboard that I completely forgot about. So. My hair is so long and gets so knotty that I have to use Kids Detangler. Your mom actually suggested this, Chris. She was the one that said she still uses it for her hair. I completely forgot it even existed until she told me that. And now I use it on mine. Alright, I'm all dressed and ready to go, but Skylar fell asleep. She went down for a nap, so change of plans. I'm just gonna chill out and edit those pictures that I was talking about before, and we will go and visit my parents when she wakes up. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys a before and after of one of the pictures that I just edited. Alright, so this is before, and that is after. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but just little things brighten it up. I think he looks so cute in this one. Super cute. And little Miss Skylar woke up from her nap. She didn't sleep for very long. Can I get your coat on? She needs shoesies. She can wear her Uggs today. Uggies.
Oh, those are nice boots.
I know, she got them from Auntie Steffi. Get in, Georgia. Ready to go see Nana and Papa? So me and Chris, we're almost at my parents' house, and then Chris realized that I forgot the Tupperware. So we turned around. Now we're going back home to get the frickin' Tupperware. So, you're welcome, Mom. Okay. Here's 1, 2. Okay. There you go. God damn it. Hello? I forgot. Hi, Santa Maria. Stop. I forgot your Tupperware. Of course you did. We actually did forget it though. So we had to turn around and go all the way back home and get it. Will you stop? Hi, Georgia. You're old and blind and deaf. Don't know why you bother. Hey! So Chris actually did this tile not that long ago. He did in front of the sink, and then he did the dining room in my parents' house here. Did a beautiful job. And then next he'll be doing their entryway over here. Whoop. Moving a cabinet.
Yeah. I can go up that or backwards if you want.
My dad actually built that in high school. Same school that I went to. But the next job will be this bit. They're gonna rip out this at some point, and then it'll be the same as the one that's in the kitchen. Skylar Bummies! You're just having a blast.
Like just a cover where it's... Yeah, it's like a cover with, and then it leaves like...
So Dad and Chris actually went to go get some rub and eggnog, and we are going to be putting up the Christmas tree today. It's become a bit of a tradition for me and Chris to come over and help you guys decorate the Christmas tree for Christmas, hasn't it, Mom?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Much appreciated.
Yeah. Well, you guys have a lot of decorations, so.
It's a process.
It's a process.
Oh! Christmas.
Mom also has her nutcrackers in her village that also go up, but we're not doing that tonight because, like she said, it's a process. So she or we are gonna do that next weekend, and for right now we're just doing the tree. So we're done decorating the Christmas tree. Skylar has just went down for a nap. So I think I'm going to take this opportunity to end the vlog. We're gonna stay and have dinner at my parents' house tonight. Just a nice, easy family Sunday. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more vlogs down below. And we will see you in the next one.